Welcome to Fix Your Apps, and today I will show you how to cancel Roblox Premium on mobile. So if you have a premium plan you no longer need, this guide will help you remove it quickly and safely. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Roblox mobile app and make sure you are logged into your correct account because Roblox Premium is linked to your personal profile, and always verify that your app is updated to the latest version so every option loads properly. Step 2. Inside the main home screen, look toward the bottom right corner where you will see the three dots more icon and tap on it to open the full menu section which shows all your account tools and features. Step 3. Once the menu appears, scroll down slowly until you find the premium option and tap on it to check if the cancel membership button is available, because some users can end their plan directly from here. If you do not see the button, tap on the cross icon to close the section and continue with the next method. Step 4. Scroll down again and look for the settings option inside the menu list, then tap on it to open the settings page which holds all your account controls including billing and subscription access. Step 5. Inside settings, find the subscriptions option and open it, and here you can select cancel renewal to confirm that you want to end Roblox Premium on your mobile device. If your premium plan was purchased through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you can also cancel it from your device's subscription settings, which is the official method for App Store billing. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.